4 in the morning, the house is still. The kettle goes cold on the windowsill. I've been on my knees with the floorboards bare, and the only sound is the weight of a prayer. Till my last breath I'll sing it out, through the doubt and the damage, through the drought. When my voice gives way and my strength is gone, I'll still be here holding on. Till my last breath I'll give you praise, through the wreck and the waiting by my haze. Till my lungs give out and my chest goes still, I'll be breathing a thank you I will. I've walked through the fire when the rain came down, lost my footing on holy ground. But grace was a hand I couldn't see, pulling me back when I couldn't be free. Till my last breath I'll sing it out, through the doubt and the damage, through the drought. When my voice gives way and my strength is gone, I'll still be here holding on. Till my last breath I'll give a trace, through the wreck and the way into the haze. Till my lungs give out and my chest goes still, I'll be breathing a thank you I will. And if the sun never breaks the morning, if the road never finds its end, I'll lift these empty hands to heaven, 'cause I know who holds me again. Till my last breath I'll sing it out, through the doubt and the damage, through the drought. When my voice gives way and my strength is gone, I'll still be here holding on. Till my last breath I'll give you praise, through the wreck and the way and through the haze. Till my lungs give out and my chest goes still, I'll be breathing a thank you I will. I'll be breathing a thank you till my last breath I will.